In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove specific rows in Snowflake effectively. If you're working with a database in Snowflake and need to clean up your data by deleting certain entries, you're in the right place. Managing your data efficiently is key for maintaining the integrity and performance of your applications. So, let's get started on how you can delete specific rows using the SQL delete statement in Snowflake. To begin with, when you want to remove specific rows from a table, the delete statement is your go-to SQL command. Before running any delete operations, it's a good idea to ensure that you have the right permissions to modify the table. This operation is permanent and could affect your data if not executed correctly, so always double-check your conditions before proceeding. Now, let's understand the anatomy of the delete statement a bit more. The general form of the delete statement looks like this. Delete from, followed by the name of the table you're targeting. Then, you specify the condition that determines which rows will be deleted. Using the where clause is crucial here. It ensures that only the rows matching your criteria are affected. It's all about specificity. For example, if you have a table named customer data and you're aiming to remove rows where the customer status is inactive, you would structure your query like this. Delete from customer data where status equals inactive. This command tells Snowflake to scour through the customer data table and remove each row with a status column that contains the phrase inactive. Without a where clause, Snowflake would delete all records in the table, which is rarely what you want. As you compose your delete statement, it's important to be precise to avoid unintentional data loss. If you're unsure of the criteria or which rows would be affected by your condition, it's always smart to first run a select query with the same condition. For example, select from customer data where status equals inactive would let you review which rows are to be deleted before making any changes. This step can act as a safeguard and help you verify that your condition is correct. After crafting your delete statement, execute the query. If successful, Snowflake will confirm the operation, usually by providing a count of the number of rows deleted. This feedback can give you further assurance that your data cleanup operation has been successfully executed as expected. Remember, practicing caution and confirming your conditions can save valuable data from being unintentionally deleted. So always keep your backups updated, conduct a trial run, and verify your queries whenever possible. Following these steps ensures that your database remains clean and efficient, free from obsolete or erroneous entries. I hope you found this guide on using delete statements in Snowflake helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on database management.